Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to redeem reward points with Capital One. So it's going to be a quick video, just a step-by-step guide. We're not going to waste any time. Let's just get straight into it. So the first thing you're going to do is to log into your Capital One account. Now you can log into your Capital One account online on the website, or you can do that on the mobile app. If you don't have that, just download that from the Play Store or the App Store and get that on your device. But if you have it already, just go ahead and sign into your account from there. Once you sign into your account, you just want to click on the rewards button, and that's going to enable you to access the reward redemption portal. Now once you're there, you can review the reward options, including travel or cashback, as well as gift cards. Just review the one you want to redeem for, and then you're going to choose that reward and just follow the redemption instructions to complete the process. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to redeem reward points with Capital One. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.